Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to change name in Lloyds Bank. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Lloyds Bank change name. Then on the search results, click on lloydsbank.com. Once you are here, you will now be redirected to the steps on how to change your name. If you are changing your name after a divorce, you will need your divorce papers or decree absolute, your marriage certificate. You will also need one of the following: your birth certificate, your deed poll, a copy of the entry in the Register of Corrections. And if you change your name for another reason, if you want to change your name for any other reason, you will need one of the following: your deed poll, your marriage certificate or your civil partnership registration document, a statutory declaration, your adoption certificate. If you live in Scotland, you can also use a copy of the entry in the Registry of Corrections, an amended birth certificate issued by the Registrar General of Edinburgh. Then click on Find Your Nearest Branch. In here, you'll be redirected to the part of the website where it tells you your nearest Lloyds Bank branch. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.